Do you want a steady, robust supply of electricity right into your home? Do you want to know how to generate electricity at home for free? Are you a homeowner who is sick and tired of the high monthly electricity bills, or a prepper who is preparing for an uncertain future? It is time to put an end to the high cost of electricity and to start generating your own energy using the power of the Nomad Power System. Presenting the Nomad Power System, the only real guide on how to make electricity at home. Have you wondered if you are ever going to learn how to make free electricity to run your home? What are your options? $800 for a DIY solar kit that requires a degree in engineering to assemble, or buying a generator and pay hundreds every month for fuel, not mentioning the fumes, noise and fire hazard. Introducing the Nomad Power System, a home power plant step-by-step manual and much more. In short, you need the Nomad Power System because it is the only alternative energy guide that tells it like it is. Drastically slash your electric bill in the next 30 days. The Nomad Power System is a step-by-step guide to create a low-maintenance, highly efficient power generator to replace your current power source and provide free energy for the rest of your life. It is that simple. In fact, you can create your own power source for less than $220 and set everything up in 3 hours. What you get with the Nomad Power System: an easy-to-follow step-by-step guide showing you exactly how to create your own home power plant today for less than $220. Detailed instructions that will show you exactly how to assemble your system in less than 3 hours and how to connect it to your home. This includes the blueprints, full-color step-by-step directions and the full materials list. Use the Nomad Power System in your home for 60 days and do whatever it takes to convince yourself that this new method of power generation is the cheapest way to produce electricity at home. If you are not completely satisfied in the first 60 days, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. You can also cancel your Nomad Power System membership at any time, and for any reason. That's how certain we are that you are going to love the Nomad Power System and make it work for you. This is an opportunity that is bound to change homeowners' lives, so make a decision now. Order the Nomad Power System now, 100% risk-free. Follow the link in the description below to get your Nomad Power System now.